What's up, y'all? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this here is not a quad, it's a car, obviously. This is the WLToys A959, and this is a little 1/18 size buggy. It's supposed to be a new version. This is a brushed model though. Let me pop the hood so you guys can see it. This came to us from Hobby and RC. It's a new store, so I'll have the links in the description for you guys to check out this car, and a link to the website so you guys can check out the new site. And so this is a brushed motor system here. So this is the brushed motor there, the little servo here, and it looks like this is a 500. Let's see, I meant to say 1500. Let's look. Yes, it's a 1500 milliamp hour 2S battery, and so it's strapped in right here. Let's get that back in. And I didn't even charge this up because these things have a pretty long run time, and I can't imagine being out here for the entire run. You guys would be bored watching me run this thing so long. But it has a Dean's connector here. This is the on and off switch. It has a pistol style controller here. Really nice looking controller. Has your trims right here. And this is the steering trim up the top, throttle trim down the bottom, these two buttons here, and there's a power button right here. And so let's put the top back on this thing and let's run it a little bit, see how fast it is and all. So little spring-loaded shocks on here. So the steering trim needs to be adjusted a little. Does have braking on it. Wow, this thing seems like it's fast.
No, I'm about to go right here. That's a motor joint?
Say it again?
That's an electric joint.
Oh, it's electric.
That's an electric?
Yeah.
How fast that joint go?
I'm checking it out now. Right now. I ain't even, I'm about to see how fast it go. I don't know exactly how fast it go.
Oh, just talking about that joint. I ain't seen one of them joints since I was a little kid, like 6 years old. I remember the motor joints though.
Well, these joints seem kind of fast.
Yeah, that joint kind of. That joint is kind of fast. Yeah, that joint.
All right, bro. So this thing is pretty fast. That's full throttle there. Wow, so this is one of the fastest ones I've seen. And it's not flipping over either. Whoa. So I don't know, maybe all the snow and everything is and the bad weather, it's all littered out here. Wow, but this thing seems really nice. So we got the rear spoiler on here, sitting a little crooked there. Wow, so this thing is pretty nice. That's full speed. Full speed towards me. And the shocks aren't oil filled or anything, so you can see it when it hits bumps, it bounces a little. Not too much. So it breaks nice too. Let's go over here to my little rock pile I like to run through. Oh, we might be dead on battery. So we didn't get a chance to check out the rock pile, but this thing was running pretty fast. Pretty neat. It's the WLToys A959.